second keeper. Yes, sir. What's up, everybody? Eddy Scalez, back again with the mid-flow Scalez, and we're out here on Pass the Grill, I think Pass the Grill Pier, whatever you call it. And today we're looking for whatever that bites, man. Preferably we're looking for pompano, maybe Spanish mackerel. It's the beginning of the springtime, so whatever's running right now, that's what we're trying to catch. So stay tuned. Got some live shrimp. We finna pitch out there. Also got some jigs with me, so let's see what we can get on. All right, y'all, put me on the live shrimp. Toss it out there. Current's moving over here a little bit, not so much over there. I'm just gonna kind of pitch it. Just gonna pitch it out there. So that's why I want to kind of let it drift in the current. See if we get any strikes over there. A little too strong. I might need a stronger weight. I might go over here. Alright, so this current's kind of ripping more than I expected, so put a heavier weight on. Put like a 1 ounce sinker, Carolina rig. See if we stay down there a little bit better. And I don't know, man. Let's see what's happening. I'm still taking that. There we go. Oh, that's a nice sheepshead right there. Definitely a keeper sheep. I ain't even feeling. It's gonna beat you. Excuse me, y'all boys. I'm finna slide over a little bit. It's gonna come up under y'all. My fault, man. I don't have my net on me. I'm gonna try to swing it. There we go. I'd say that's probably about like a 13-incher, 14-inch sheep. Not what I was looking for, but I'll take it. Hey, look at that, y'all. Nice keeper sheepshead. Not what I was looking for, but hey, man. I'll take it. If they're biting today, that's what we're taking. Oh, look at that. He had a circle hook in, and he took that, man. So he's coming home. Let's take a measurement on and let's get him in the box. I'll say he goes for about 13, 14 at the most. Yeah. Like right at 13, he's coming home, so stick him in the box. He's coming home for dinner. All right, y'all, that was the first fish of the morning. And like I said, we was fishing for whatever. No super targeted species in mind. I kind of had pompano and Spanish mackerel in the back of my head, but you know, I'll take trout and I'll take sheepshead all day. But since sheepshead is biting, I'm gonna switch up that hook, put a number 2 hook on, and see if we can catch a couple more. That knot, since that knot down, get that thing sheepshead proof. I'm gonna send us another, and I caught that off a piece of shrimp. I wasn't a full shrimp. It's another piece of shrimp. You see what it do, man. Just pop that tail off. Slide my real quick. Get it back. Come out just like that. See if they want something to do with it. I know they want something to do with it, but can I stick them? It's a different kind of problem. Just so hard for that bite, especially with the front ripping. And you gotta fish through a whole bunch of other smaller fish at the same time. Come out here a little bit. There we go. Oh, he let go. He let go. Yes, sir. I'm even ready to record. But yeah, nice sheepshead. All right. It's probably a little bit shorter, like right at 12. Oh yeah, look, he was barely hooked. Hook came out just like that, but you stuck him though. You pulled him in quick. Good job. We'll take a measurement on him. I'd be like right at 12. Hopefully. See if he make the cut. Nah, it's a little short, but good catch. Wanna hold the fish?
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch his gill place and then watch the spawns. Nice. Good catch.
Still got it.
Still got it, man. Outfishes me, I'm telling y'all. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Shoot. I think he's gonna make the cut. Another small one. But let's take a look at it. I don't think he's gonna make the cut, but nice sheepshead. Let's get that hook at him. Stuck him pretty good right in the corner. There we go. Alright, let's take a look at it. See what he makes. He's like right at 12. Yeah, actually he's probably a little bit short. We'll send him back. Still a good catch, find a bite. Put me on another live shrimp, send him down there. See if this one catch a keeper. I'll get one more, maybe two more keepers, I'll be alright. Back right there. See what happens. I think my shrimp got tore up already. Oh yeah. Came off, man. That was a nice one too. Straight drop. That ain't take long. Let's send another one down. That was fun though. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a stud sheep. Let me walk him over. Walk him over. Sorry y'all, it's gonna come through, man. And I don't got my net, so I gotta walk him over. Oh yeah. keeper. Yes, sir. That's about 14, 15 all day. I could have probably looked at him. He wasn't going over. Alright, y'all, let's take a look at this one. Like I said, about 13, 14, man. Yeah, just shy of 14. And come home for dinner. Second sheepshead, second keeper. And we only got about 2 shrimp left. I had to cut the hook. Hook's still in his mouth, but I'll get it from him later, man. Trust me. Yeah, put up a good fight. Let's fish out these last shrimp and keep going. All right, y'all, we had a pretty decent day on the pier. Matter of fact, we had a great day on the pier. We're coming home with nice 2 keeper sheepshead. I can't complain, man. She even caught a sheepshead, man. So it was a good day all in all. Thank you guys so much for coming out here to fish with me. I appreciate you all. I'm Eddy Scalez. This is Mid-Flow Scalez. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And hey, if you want to keep fishing with me, check out this video over here. I'll see y'all over there. Tight lines.